You are in front of the FDI Frigate, which is a brand new, latest generation frigate. This frigate is already in construction for the French Navy, part of a program of 5 frigates. That's also the frigate that we are proposing to the Hellenic Navy. The first one could be delivered in early 2025, which is one of the main elements of our offer. It's a fully multi-mission frigate dedicated to the aircraft carrier protection, but also with the capability to protect high-value units at sea, especially against air threat, but also shore-based facilities like towns or islands. This frigate has a full area air defense capability thanks to the new radar Seafire 4 fixed panel added with the Aster missile, the capability of 32 cells of this missile, and linked with the CMS CETIS by Naval Group, provide the ship a real area defense, multiple target capability, capable of protecting, of course, high-value units at sea, but also shore-based facilities like islands or towns. The ship has also a full anti-submarine suite with a hull-mounted sonar and a variable depth sonar back aft, linked to the new 90 lightweight torpedoes from Naval Group, provide the ship a very strong anti-submarine capability, fully connected to the experience of the frame system, which has been awarded by the US Navy as the best anti-submarine frigate available on the market. The ship has also anti-surface capability with MM40 Block 3 missile, Exocet, and also aviation capability with a platform and hangar for 11-ton class helicopter like NH-90 or MH-60, but also at the same time a medium-sized UAV capability, 700 kilograms, to extend the surveillance capability of the ship. The ship has a full electronic warfare suite for detection, radar, and radio. And the ship has also special force capabilities with 2 ribs area capable of embarking ribs of up to 9.5 meters, but also side doors to embark and disembark very quickly and very safely personnel from the ribs. The ship has a maximum speed of 27 knots thanks to a Codad propulsion. The ship is stabilized, of course, as a bow thruster for maneuvering. Then one of the innovations of this ship is also the digital architecture. The ship has 2 data centers in which all the computing power of the ship is concentrated, and all the systems are virtualized. That means the separation between software and hardware to adapt the ship very, very quickly of the very fast evolution of information technology. And this configuration also allowed a real native protection against cyber threats, which is brand new on the frigates. The ship also has a dedicated asymmetric warfare center to manage the very short-range threat around the ship inside the visual sphere, thanks to a connection to the lethal and non-lethal short-range weapons, but also with a full 360-degree night and day vision around the ship.
As you know, during the last decades, Naval Group has developed an unmatched expertise in transferring the best of its knowledge and technology. This is what we are proposing for the Greek programs in order to allow them to build the FDI frigates in Greece by the Greek industry. There is different pillars based on this industrial Hellenic industry participation plan that we have developed for them. First, the shipyards. We have visited the shipyards in Greece, made an assessment of the shipyard, and we are very comfortable to say that the FDI can be built in Greece. with a fully tailored transfer of technology package. Secondly, we have worked very deeply in the industry to see in the ecosystem all the companies that can be involved in the construction, but also in the support of the ship in the future. We have identified 100 companies and already visited and having discussion with 70 of them, figuring out all the opportunities that they can have to be on board the FDI. This will develop a sustainable ecosystem for the program, but also in the future to address the maintenance in autonomy from Greece by the Greek industry, which is a sovereign capabilities that we are providing to the authority for their ship. In addition, we are also trying to go further the programs in order to develop, in cooperation with the industry and university and research center, the tomorrow innovation in the naval domain. We made R&D partnership days, we made companies, we made university in Heraklion, in Athens, and we are trying to figure out all the topics that we can develop together in order to produce the future innovations in the naval but also maritime domain. We are also answering some European calls together, and we have been awarded of 2 calls recently, one in the mine hunter domain with Greek companies called Terraspatium, and also in the maritime surveillance domain with ETME as a leader and Naval Group as a technological partner to them. So we are proving that even before the program of the FDI, we are already consolidating some partnership, very strong partnership, to develop tomorrow innovations together with Naval Group.
We showcase all our underwater weapons portfolio. First, the F-21, the new heavyweight torpedo of the French Navy, offering an unmatched engagement distance together with unmatched intelligence to widen the panel of scenario offered to the commanding officer of the submarine in order to cope with the operational scenario of today and of tomorrow. We offer also the well-known Immunity lightweight torpedo, the reference in lightweight torpedo, with now 10 customer navies, more than 1,000 rounds produced, in service on board 150 platforms, with an engagement distance twice of the competition, still now. And at last, we offer the Canto anti-torpedo countermeasure, which is a real breakthrough in anti-torpedo defense, the first soft-kill countermeasure acting independently of the signal processing of the torpedo, and in order to face the most advanced torpedoes and remaining efficient against the previous generation. So this is a full portfolio that we offer to Greece.